So your homework for 2nd April 2020 is you have to do textbook class 135 last question. That is, do this again for 2 other days. What is the length of time between these 2 days? You have to mark a date at the calendar of your book, and other birthday, okay, and an other special day. Then you have to find the difference like I did for question number 1, okay. And after this work is for 5th April 2020 classwork. You have to note down at the notebook. Okay. This is just an information. I will give you a question about this also. For your easiness, I made this. Okay. So first of all, see this for weeks. Whenever I want to convert my week into days, what I will do, I will say the 7 times table. I will start reading the 7 times table. Okay. For example, I want to know how many days in 1 week. What I will do, 7 times 1 is 7. It means 7 days. How many days in 3 weeks? It means 7 times 3 is 21. How many days in 1 week? 7 times 1 is 7. Likewise, how many days in 2 weeks? It means you have to remember this, that 7 times 2, 14 days, teacher. You can say it easily. Okay, now tell me how many days in 5 weeks. You have to say the 7 times table. 7 times 5, 35 days. How many days in 6 weeks? Very good. 7 times 6, 42. How many days in 4 weeks? 28. 7 times 4, 28. How many days in 8 weeks? Yes. 56. Very good. How many days in 7 weeks? 49. Yes, very nice. For converting weeks to days, we need to find the we need to say the 7 times table. After this, for days, okay, for days, what you will do, you need to count the 24 times table for days, because we know that one day have 24 hours. For converting days to hour, we need to say the 24 times table. For converting weeks to days, 7 times table. For converting days to hours, 24 times table. 1 day, how many? Or 24. Or 2 days, we need to 24 multiply by 2. How much? 48 hours. Likewise, 3 days, how many hours? 3 multiply by 24, 72. 4 days, how many hours? 96. So, for converting days into hours, we need to read 24 times table. For converting week to days, we need to read 7 times table. There are some questions as an homework for you for 5th April 2020. You have to write this at your notebook and you have to answer this also. So my first question from you is, in 96 hours, how many days are there? Here we need to find the number of days. Okay. So what I will do, I will start counting. Days means whenever we want to convert days to hours, see, hours and days, we need to find it by 24 hour times table. 24 times table. Whenever hours and days will come together, it means we need to read 24 times table. 24 1, 24. 24 2, how much? To 48. 24 3, 72. And 24 4, 96. It means 96 hours, how many days? 4 days. Okay. So the answer is 4 days. Here they said in 28 days, how many weeks? Here days and weeks. Whenever days and weeks will come together, you need to start reading the 7 times table. And where you will get 28, you have to write the answer that these are the number of weeks. Likewise, you have to do the question number 3. I hope you can do it well, and write this at your notebook. Then whenever we will come back, we will check it. So this is the end of the video number 3, and this is actually the part 2. Okay, part 1 already uploaded. So end of the parts of video 3. So these are the outcomes. After this video, you must be able to solve textbook 134 to 135. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.